Welcome viewers to our next video. In this video I am going to tell you a software which will help you to edit any PDF document. You can also convert any PDF document to Office tools like Word, Excel, or you can also, with the help of this software, you can merge and split the PDF documents. And the most important thing here is that this software is available for free without paying any additional cost or any subscription or license fee. So without doing a further ado, I'm going to quickly tell you how to install that software and how to use that. So first thing first, launch your browser. Look for this software called PDFGEAR. You can either install from the Windows directly. I'm going to its official website called pdfgear.com. Now click on this free download button. Our download has begun. Once this download is finished, we have to install this software. I am clicking on this open file button here. Select your language. Next, read the agreement carefully. Next, select your folder in which you want to install the software. Hit next, 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 and then install. Once it gets installed, we will launch our PDFGEAR software. I am closing my browser here. After installing the PDFGEAR software, you will be shown this window. We have all kind of tools under all tools view tab. You can see we can convert PDF to Word. We can also convert PDF to Excel. And not only this, we can also edit any particular PDF document using the help of this software. So now I'm going to edit any PDF document as for demonstration. Open with PDFGEAR. If you want to edit, since this is a PDF document, if you want to edit, go to edit, hit on edit text. Now I can see and easily edit any document. Like once done, it's exit edit. See, we can easily edit any PDF document here. Also, we can easily convert this PDF to Word, Excel, PowerPoint presentation. Even we can convert it into PNG and JPG image. We'll also get this Chat GPT to help you out for using this tool. So this is a very good and nice tool which I have found, and the good thing is this is totally free. I hope you guys like this video. Thanks once again.